What's up, everybody? Tom here. In this video, let's talk about how to get motivated when feeling low. Now, when you guys are feeling low, it could be many things. It could be stress. It could be having low energy levels. It could be some type of things where you're not letting go. So, for example, you are so dwell on towards the past. It could be the 9-to-5 job that you hate. It could be a lot of factors that play along with it. So I told this man, I inform a lot of people, right? Write it down why you're feeling low, okay? Why you're feeling low. Maybe it's that 9-to-5, it's time to pivot. Maybe it's something to do with your life that you want to stay motivated. Remember, motivation, you only have a small glimpse of it. You could use motivation, but think of it like a battery meter, okay? Motivation is more like a battery meter. So let's say you're forcing yourself to do it. What happens is that 70% of that motivation is going to be depleted and you only have 30% left, okay? And then from there, if you're just relying on motivation, you're just going to be super unhappy, okay? There's different ways on how to do it, okay? You want to do what's called consistent self-discipline, okay? Consistency, the persistent is another term of consistency, right? So in this case, you want to focus on discipline. So think like this. So many people are going to the gym, right? They work on building muscle, right? When it comes towards discipline, it's like the same concept, the same philosophy. Okay, so for example, if it's your first time going to the gym, right? You're trying to push 3 plates, you can't. Because it takes time to build that muscle. Same goes when it comes towards consistent self-discipline. It takes time to build that muscle. Sure, there are going to be times when you're going to drift off, but that's normal, okay? The only reason why so many people are saying massive action is because they built that muscle already, okay? And you have to understand, like, some people don't have this edge where, let's say, for example, when they were younger, maybe their parents have taught them when they were young on how to develop that skill set of that consistent self-discipline, right? So they built that over time and it started compounding, right? That's why having an influence when it comes towards your parents are crucially important in towards one factor in any life, because you actually do have an edge in terms of that. You know what I'm saying? So when it comes towards this, if you don't have this edge, you can still build it. Okay, just think of it like going to the gym. You can't bench press 3 plates. You can't bench press 3 plates unless you work on it, right? The same factor when it comes towards consistent self-discipline is the same thing. It's called the mind muscle, okay? So work your way up. Don't compare yourself with other people. Don't compete with other people. Just focus on you, okay? In due time, then once you start building that factor, okay, you don't want to just rely on motivation. You want to rely on consistent self-discipline, but working on where you are, and then slowly on time start building it, okay? Bits by bits, and then eventually you're going to be able to lift that 3 plates because you stick with it, okay? Hope you guys enjoyed a straight to the point training. In this video, I'm going to continuously keep giving you guys more goodies. Stay tuned. Make sure you guys thumbs up this video, comment below this video if you guys are liking it. Make sure you guys share this video as well. And on top of that, make sure you guys make sure you subscribe towards this YouTube channel and hit that bell notification. I'll see you guys in the next one.